A person who has a high degree of honesty is someone who does not lie and is truthful. A person with an honest character is not swayed by greed or other motives, but always speaks their mind and does what they believe to be right. Honest character is a term in philosophy and ethics in which honest character is the propensity of an individual to be honest and truthful to their moral standards, without improper intentions. Honest character comes with a strong sense of morality and integrity, as well as having a tendency for altruism. An individual could lack honesty if they are indifferent to the truth, or if they feel no sense of responsibility to act honestly. Honesty is a virtue in which all ethical people should strive to adhere to. Honesty is the value in which an individual is truthful in their representation of themselves and others, in their words and deeds. Honesty also means that one helps others by seeking the truth and will defend it when necessary. The effects of honesty can be seen, for example, in forming relationships with other people where honesty helps us avoid lies that could hurt or even destroy those relationships. A person who is seen as possessing an honest character would be someone who is not afraid to say what they feel and make themselves known, which can lead to them being disliked by others. Honest characters are often seen as being forthright, level-headed, and principled. The term honesty can be examined using the tools of moral philosophy. Honesty is, in essence, the act of truthfulness and openness with oneself and others, which is characterized by a lack of deception or concealment. When an individual is dishonest, he or she often has the intent to gain personal advantage at some level or another, as well as some form of ego fulfillment. Honesty is a quality of character that means being honest with oneself about one's talents, capabilities, motives, and accomplishments. This includes being honest with other people, including those who are close to us. Honesty also includes telling the truth, which encompasses many things such as not lying or misrepresenting oneself. Honesty is important because it fosters relationships and provides freedom.